Here's Zora getting sheared. My baby girl. Being a good girl. That's what they look like before. And this is what Clara and Cosmo look like afterwards. They're skinny looking. They look weird. Clara's a little upset because she's separated from Zora. Cosmo!
Yeah, because the one thing I really love about the countryside and backyard stock, or small stock, that's what it's called, is they have some ladies in there who are like entomologists, and they have
That's a good girl.
Really well, so you don't have to be doing all this. So much for worming. It's a pumpkin. The pumpkin seeds are a natural worm. Really? It anesthetizes the worm and makes it release from the wall, and then they just shoot out. Yeah. Really? And then, of course, when the pumpkin is very good, you can do it.
This is the first time she's getting sheared, so she doesn't know what's going on. Poor baby. And Brett has to be careful because she has 4 horns and she might stab him with her horn.
Because they were just that kibbles. Kibbles and